So, there's a huge silver crisis hitting construction in 2026. Let's break down what's happening.
By January 2026, the price of silver has just gone through the roof, hitting a brand new record.
And this comes after a staggering 140% surge in 2025. People are calling it the solar squeeze.
So, why should you care? Well, silver is basically the nervous system of every single solar panel.
This massive price spike is on a direct collision course with tough new building regulations.
The Future Homes Standard demands that new builds slash their carbon emissions by 75 to 80%.
And until now, the go-to solution for developers has been pretty simple. Just install more solar panels.
But get this, silver's piece of the cost pie has exploded from just 4% to nearly 30%.
That means developers saw hardware costs jump 15 to 20% in just one quarter. The math here is pretty straightforward. As the price of silver goes up, so does your cost to comply.
So, what does this all mean? Is meeting that Future Home Standard target now totally impossible?
Actually, no, not even close. This pressure is forcing the entire industry to get way smarter.
We're seeing a big shift away from just slapping on more panels to a much more intelligent approach.
This so-called crisis has sparked 3 major innovations that are completely changing the game.
First up, a fabric-first focus. Better insulation means you just don't need as many panels.
Second, manufacturers are fast-tracking alternatives, using things like copper and aluminum instead of pricey silver.
And third, new AI tools can now model compliance paths using live data. Pretty smart stuff.
Okay, so what can you actually do right now? Here are 3 key strategies for your playbook.
As one industry expert put it, this whole thing is the wake-up call the industry desperately needed.
So the real takeaway is this. Expensive lessons are leading to much smarter buildings. It's an evolution.
For more videos diving deep into the technical requirements of building regulations, visit the Building Regulations Copilot YouTube channel.
And for any building regulations related queries, head over to buildingregulationscopilot.com.